In 2013, this BMW 750i was about $100,000 and I just bought it for $2,100. That's basically just 2% of the initial cost, and it's been sitting for 2 years because the engine is seized and nobody wanted to deal with that. But I decided I can do it. Since I've done the 550, this engine should be similar. In the previous video we checked a few things and we found good cylinder walls, good valves, but we found a seized crankshaft. There are 4 rods that are different in color, so that means the engine needs to come out. If you stay till the end of the video, you will get to see this car running again for the first time in 2 years. I'm not going to show too much details about removing the engine because I've already done that on the BMW 550 F10 and it's very similar to this one. So I've decided to just speed through this step and get it done. In case you haven't seen the 550 build, I've made a 2-hour long video and I've linked it in the top right corner. I'm really excited about this car, and not only because the engine is seized, but because it has some other problems too, like the soft close on the passenger door, the soft close on the trunk lid, the headlights need to be polished, there are some dents in the bodywork, and of course the entire paint needs attention. I don't know about you, but these problems get me excited and I really want to learn and find out if there's ways I could fix them on a low cost. So after we get it running, we will try to fix some more things in the next few videos. With the engine finally removed, now you can see the source of the coolant leak that is in between the gearbox and the engine. And it's a known issue, it just needs to be resealed. It's been definitely leaking for a long time. I have to say, when I saw this, I was 100% sure I'm gonna need a new crankshaft, but I still went ahead and tried to fix it because the bearings are soft material, so the crankshaft might still be okay. And this is how it turned out after some sandpaper and a little bit of elbow grease. If you compare it to the other one that was seized, it looks pretty much like new, but let me show you how I did that. And just like that, the crankshaft was saved. But I have to mention, sometimes this leaves deep grooves into the crankshaft. I was lucky this time that the crankshaft had no damage at all. It's just the bearing material that I removed, and now it looks good. So I think we're safe to use this. But the connecting rods still need to be changed, so we have to disassemble the whole engine and remove the heads, take out the pistons and change the connecting rods. I know most people would see that crank and just throw it away and buy a new one, but I don't like to do that. I would like to try and save it because a new one is $800, and if it can be saved, why not? If it can't, then I have to do this again and change the crankshaft. And I really don't mind the work, so I'm willing to try. And also you guys get to see if this is gonna work out or not. So let's experiment with it, and hopefully it's gonna turn out good. If you ever decide to take an engine apart like this, what I would suggest is to have plenty of space to put the parts in a particular order, and what I do is just set them on the table in the order I removed them, with the bolts next to the part. So this way when I touch the part, I know it's next in line. So it makes it way easier to reassemble the whole thing back together. And also take a lot of pictures if you want to remember some of the things you might forget. As you can see, the camshafts look very good. They look like they are new. Even though this engine has 150,000 miles, I think it was properly maintained because there is no varnish inside of it as well. So we got lucky with it. Now with the heads removed, you can clearly see that there is some carbon deposit, but it's not really that bad. This is gonna clean out and it's gonna look like new. And on the other side is the same story. Now the cylinder walls are in really good shape. I'm impressed how well this engine looks inside with 150,000 miles on it. I was not expecting this. So that's something you don't see every day. Original timing chain and original timing chain guides, and they're completely intact. No broken bits at all. Completely intact, and they're from 2012. I don't know if you can see that, but it has a stamp on each piece of plastic here that says 2012 month 6 or month 7. So it seems that with the TU version they did fix the timing issues, because this was not the problem with this engine. Lack of oil was the main problem here, and I'm surprised how could that have happened when you can see how clean the engine block is inside. So this person was changing oil regularly. I'm only guessing that somebody messed up with the oil level, or they had an oil leak and they didn't notice that the oil level was going down, and the engine got starved of oil, and that's how the bearings got completely seized to the crankshaft. But that's okay. We cleaned the crankshaft and that's good. It's gonna be good to reuse, and we just need to go ahead and clean it, and we'll replace the timing chain as well, since we opened it this far. And 150,000 miles, they probably won't last for too long if you keep them like this. Who knows? But this was regular oil changes, and original parts can last. And this is how I organize all the parts that I remove. Just you know, on the table, right next to each other. It makes a lot more sense. And as you can see here, I already removed the pistons as well. We're gonna need to clean them and remove the old connecting rods and replace them. And I've already cleaned the engine block, and it looks in amazing condition. It just shines. It looks like it's just freshly but it looks like new. But this is definitely the same block, it's just very well cleaned. Now it's time to reassemble some of the parts, like the crankshaft. As you can see, I'm using assembly lube and the crankshaft can be installed. Now it's time to clean the pistons, but we need to remove the rings to clean the ring channels as well. And I'm using a light brush just to clean the carbon off the pistons. In comparison to one that hasn't been cleaned, this looks like new. So let's go ahead and install these as well.
Crowded places, feel it sinking in. Lonely faces, say you need a friend. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you again. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. Getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. Fight your battles, always by yourself. In the shadows, hear you cry for help.
I don't know about you, but this is the part that I love the most. When you get to see the difference after cleaning these parts. Clearly, they look like new and they were not that bad, but still, when they can look like this, why not do it, right? For example, look at this head. It does look okay, it doesn't look very bad, it doesn't have very much carbon deposits, but this is also something you can clean. So look at the result. This makes me so happy.
You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home.
wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Oh! To last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the green and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, I'm going off and I'm on the topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep 'em out your face, no way, you don't want it, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. To last with the webs I'm weaving, I can change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break the glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the gas, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that.
The engine is running rough a little bit because of a few bad connections, but I got that sorted and here it runs now. And it runs very good. That makes me very happy. So let's take it for a drive and see what's what.
Heads-up display.
Yeah, that's one feature that I think needed to be here.
To listen to it. It's so smooth. I could sleep, you know? Not that that's a big surprise. But wow.
Feel anything?
What were you worried about again? What were you so worried about?
I don't know.
That was the worst speed bumps we're gonna feel right there.
Yeah, and nothing.
That was the worst it's gonna get.
And nothing.
No, it was so smooth. How does it feel to drive?
Very good.
Yes.
I didn't accelerate, but it feels good.
You haven't even accelerated yet.
It's like been 1,000 reps
Yeah.
all the way.
Just like babying it.
Yes, that's all I want to do for right now. 'Cause we don't know if that crankshaft is happy or not. Is it on?
I promise it is.
So far it seems that the gamble with the crankshaft paid off, but we don't know yet. I'll keep you guys updated on that one. That's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now.